Hi, I'm Stash the Period Coach, and I'm here to teach you how to create your funnel in less time with one really easy trick. Your cycle. Yes, that is my one easy trick. I know, that shouldn't be very much of a mystery. Here's the thing, when you're creating a funnel, you're generally looking at a blank page. You're looking at a blank piece of paper, a blank calendar, a blank scheduler. Everything is just blank. When you sit down to create your funnel, if you put your cycle down on your calendar first, it is far easier to pick that date. The important date. You know the date. The webinar date, or the live videos date, or maybe you're going to do Facebook Lives during your challenge, or your webinar, or your class, or whatever it is that you're using. You're going to have some kind of engagement with your followers, with your clients, with your people. So why not do that when you know you're going to be at your best? Chart, know when you're going to be at your best, typically follicular and ovulation phase for most women, and plan your funnel around that. And then everything else just falls right into place. All right, well, if that's going to be on this date, then this needs to happen by this. And okay, if that's going to happen around that time, then these are the follow-ups that need to happen after that. It's so much easier to build a tree when you've got a nice, solid root. Use your cycle to root your tree. As always, I'm going to leave you with something more. You can join me for a live Funnel of Flow workshop where we're actually going to make a funnel in line with our cycles. If that date has already passed, I'm so sorry. You can still join up below, catch the replay, or get other really great tips and tricks to go along with it. All right, that was a quick and easy one, Ovary Gang. Peace out. I'll see you next week.